This is my last day in Santa Cruz. Today is 18th January 2026. This is Abhinandan. Okay, so let me record what and all happened. So being Sunday, I did not go out. I just now came at 8 p.m. over here right now. Like this is the center place where people come. Sundays little more people, but a lot of interesting thing happened. First time there's uncertainty in my visa. 20th is the last day. Today is 18th. Today is 18th January 2026. 19th is tomorrow, day after tomorrow is 20th, the last day. But if I don't go out of the country, I have to pay daily $4. $4 per day. But there will be a mark where next time I cannot come. Oh, they've opened out that Christmas, this one. So now listen carefully. From 3 months, 90 days, I was planning to do a Spanish video. How many days? 90 days, but postponing, delaying like most of you. Now, today is the final day. I sat whole day, edited the PowerPoint and did the video right now. But I have to convert it first, make it into English, then Spanish, then Hindi also. Again, Abhinandan here. So now after I finished that, I came here last day, last darshan. I went to the church. Thank God. 90 days, 3 months passed like 3 minutes. Literally like 3 minutes. So doing that video only took more than some 7 hours. 7 hours it did, but still there's a lot of work. I have to subtitle it in English, then subtitle it, then convert to Spanish, then subtitle it, convert to Hindi and subtitle it, translate the language to Hindi and subtitle it. So a lot of work is there. First I'll do the English. Now there is something special in this video if you listen, and those who are keen. First is earning globally. Getting free trip to Malaysia, China, Colombia, USA. And you will also know when you watch the video, how to get a free USA bank account. Listen carefully. You will also know how to get a free USA and a European bank account. I'll repeat, I already have a USA bank. I have earlier also USA bank account, but sitting in Bolivia. Just 1 week ago, I came to know about this only about more than 10 days ago. I created a USA bank account. I'll be creating a European bank account. Okay. And you know what? If you want to create, have a USA bank account on your mobile freely, then you have to watch this video. Now don't first complain the video is long. Have you not read a book in your life? Have not you seen a movie for 2.5 hours, 3 hours time? Have not you attended a training program for 2 hours time? Let me go here and see today. After that I'll speak to someone. I'll interact. Today is the last day. So I'll have fun talking to some people, but let me finish the recording. Now, so don't give a complaint. I have seen some people giving a complaint. They send me a Zoom link where I have to attend for 2 hours time. But for 20 minutes video, they'll have told, oh, it is too long. This is a detailed video. Okay. Again, this is an introduction for updated information. And when you associate with Abhinandan, I'm repeating it. When you associate with Abhinandan with a small business of $55, Okay, you will know how to open a bank account in USA or Europe. Okay, this even Indian people can contact me after to get the video and watch the full video. They have to watch the full video. Even people in Bolivia, if I convert this video, English video to Spanish video, this is Abhinandan again. Okay, you will know, many people do not know. I met a lot of business people, they do not know. Okay, if you want on your mobile, you can have a USA bank account and a European bank account. If you watch my video, detailed long video about global earning and traveling, any Santa Cruz person will recognize the place where I am, but people from other countries. This is a nice energetic place. Every evening, Sundays evening, Saturday, Sunday evening, I come here. Now, a lot of hectic things were there, but a lot of things are in pipeline because I planned a lot of things. One time everything will come together. I know that. And now, tomorrow will be a day of uncertainty. I have not got my Paraguay visa yet, but Argentina embassy wrote to me that since you have a USA visa, you don't require any USA visa. So I'll take that copy and go to the border. Okay, but you know what? If I get Paraguay visa, let me reduce the voice now. Just show you the place. Oh, a voice got. When I came, voice also stopped. Very good. So you know what? I want Paraguay visa to go to Paraguay first. Paraguay. Okay. Then I have to go to Uruguay. And then Argentina. And most probably even Brazil also. I want to attend the carnival. It will be in February. Here I attended yesterday the pre-carnival. It was very good. But the mobile at that time got switched off. Battery went away. It was very, very good. And that was a pre-carnival. So, I'm talking in between a lot of other things. So if you watch this video either in English or in Spanish, contact Abhinandan. WhatsApp me on the number coming on the screen. After you WhatsApp me on the number coming on the screen, ask me for that long detailed video. So what is the benefit of watching this video? Full video. First thing, if you're not interested in opening a USA bank account or a European bank account, which you require later if you want to become an entrepreneur or a business person, you can know how to earn globally. So don't be skeptical, don't come to conclusion without knowing. People are expert in coming to conclusions. Okay, ask me question, you have the freedom to ask me. So you will know how to earn about $3,000 per month. Starting with $55. Starting with $55. And how you can earn money globally. Globally. I am there to support you. I am not from Bolivia, I am from India. But I was in USA for 6 months, Colombia 6 months, Peru 2 months, Bolivia 3 months. I came exactly on October 22nd, 2025. Today is January 18th. I've done a lot of my videos, which is there on Facebook and on my YouTube channel. I don't tell people to subscribe and all, I only send it to my people. So don't look at how many subscribers are there. Okay, now coming to the point, If you want to earn money globally, don't be skeptical, be open-minded. Anyone tells me a business, it is a hobby for me. It's a hobby for me to study any kind of businesses. But I love small businesses. I like businesses starting only with $50 and around. During the COVID time, 2020, 2021, with a $50 business, I have the proof. With $50 business, I made more than $120,000 in 1 year. Average of $10,000 per month during the COVID. And I was in Dubai for 6 months. I attended all the 197 country pavilion. And that is a time when I saw all the South American country pavilions, and I was fascinated. Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, Argentina. So when I came to USA, I thought I will visit South America and not be there for 1 week, but for the full days of the visa. If they give me 6 months visa, I stay for 6 months. If they give me 3 months visa, I stay for 3 months. So my visa is ending on 20th January. So tomorrow I'll be leaving either to Argentina or Paraguay. But we can do the business globally on Zoom, on WhatsApp and Zoom. You can connect to me on WhatsApp sharing. I know many of you know WhatsApp sharing. We can connect on WhatsApp sharing and then come on Zoom. After you watch the video, after you watch the detailed long video, okay? So once you watch it, I have done it in English and Spanish and also in Hindi. So those who want it in Spanish can ask me the Spanish video. Those who want it in English can ask me the English video. Study it. Watch, read every word two times. Only then you grow. Only then you make money. Have not you heard the phrase? Have not you heard the phrase? Leaders are readers. Leaders are readers. If you don't read, you will be fit to work for someone for a limited income. You earn more money. You won't earn more money. Okay, after this I'll go to the church and pray. Okay, let me finish off the recording in one stretch. And I have to thank God for everything went perfectly with no problems. And I want tomorrow everything to go perfectly. But I'll be thankful if I get a Paraguay visa tomorrow itself. If not, I have to go to Argentina. So what I want you to do is, there is a condition to watch the video. Do not watch the video when you are tired or sleepy, because you will feel sleepy and it will sound boring. You have to make it a project to watch the video. You have to make it a priority to watch the video. How? I'll tell you. Once you get the video, you have to open the video only on a laptop. But before that, you should have 8 hours to 9 hours of deep sleep. You should have a 9-hour deep sleep. Then morning when you wake up, have a shower. Drink 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses of water. Drink a strong coffee. Open the video on a laptop or a computer, not on the mobile. Have patience. If you have patience to watch, you will earn about $3,000 per month. If you interact with me 4 or 5 times and attend a Zoom meeting. I'll repeat. Simply money won't come. Money will come after you interact with me. So once you watch the video slowly, you will know how to earn smartly globally $100 every day if you work for half an hour to 2 hours per day. If you work for half an hour to 2 hours per day, anytime, and I'm there to support you. Then second thing, you will know how to get a free trip. If you are from South American countries, you will know how to get a free trip to India, Malaysia, any other Dubai, or the USA. Understand it. There's a lot of conditions. Watch the video. If you are from India or any other countries, you will know how to get a free trip to Malaysia, business trip to Malaysia, China, Colombia, and then USA. So you have to take the initiative to study the video, watch the video, long video. I'm only telling you, I'm only frightening you. But this video will change your life. This video will change your life in 2026. Earning $3,000, above $3,000 in life per month, you can travel anywhere in the world. Okay? Even Switzerland, you can manage every month if you are having $3,000. Okay, if you go in a group. My dream is to spend 1 or 2 months in Switzerland. So now, this is Abhinandan again. So contact and speak to me. Yesterday there was a very nice carnival, but my mobile battery went away. I recorded for a few minutes. So anyhow, those who are watching this for 20 minutes, it is 17 minutes right now, another 3 minutes I'll finish. Visit my website or ask me for the video by WhatsApping me on this Peru number or USA number. If you don't get response after 12 hours in one of the number, contact me on another number. Sometimes I may lose my mobile, okay, while traveling. So contact me, speak to me, interact with me. Even if you do not know English, you can interact in Spanish. I'll respond in Spanish using a Google Translate. And if you are from India, if you are listening this on Hindi, contact and speak to me, WhatsApp me. In India, 99% of the people, 99.99% people who are doing referral business, online business, affiliate business, they don't have confidence to speak. And they don't know how to communicate also. Shame on them. They'll send me a question mark. I'll have written 10,000 characters, long message. His response will be one question mark. Then only I understand he is not intelligent. You have to mention clearly, Abhinandan, I watched your video.